Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching Civil Engineering Survey YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you 4 tips and tricks in AutoCAD 2020. Before watching this video, subscribe my channel for more updates. Let's start it. The first trick is the trim command. First we use trim command here, tr enter and again enter by space button, and here is not working trim command because the line is not crossing the second line, which is not intersecting. We hold the shift key and extend the line. Okay, we use here a trim command, but it's work extend because we hold the shift key and we remove the finger from shift key, and here is required trim the line, and again we try extend. If we use extend command here, we enter ex first and second enter. Okay, it's working, but we need here trim the line. We hold the shift key and select the line. It's good, it's nice. You may know this. Before we try the second, which is very important. We have here CO for copy, but we need only C for copy. How to change this command? First we go to express tool and select the command alias. Here is many commands and we try here for C. We type C for circle. Okay, we added this, and here we required C for circle because we are not use more this command. We simply easy to type one letter to reduce the time. Okay, we okay it, and C here CC for circle, and CO for copy. We here more use this command CO for copy. We short here CO. Okay, yes, apply it. Yes, okay. Here we use CC for circle. Try it, it's work. And C for copy. Select the object, enter, and we easily copy, easily type the C command. We don't waste the time. It's work. It's good. The third tip is very important. CC we change. We copy it. We select home type. Here is group command. We select the group and name the group is D1. Okay, select the object, this object in group. The second, we type the command of group. GRO is the short command for a group. If you understand use trick, the second trick, you change from here from express to, and again type GRO, enter, and the group name is D2. and select the object. It's good. And again we type GRUP, enter, group name D3. Okay, select the object, it's converted group. This show the rectangle, the object is in type here C for copy. Here is give select the object. We type D1. We don't type D1, first we type GR, enter, and type D1. The object is selected. If we type in this 3 object, we move the 2 object. First we enter CO, C for copy. We type CO, here CO working. If you type C, it's good. And we type the D1 and comma D2, sorry for that, D1 comma D2 comma D3 and enter. Here is not working because we not type the group command. Here GR first type, enter, and group name D1 comma D2 comma D3. Okay, enter. The 3 object is selected. You can copy from here. It's good. We remove it. Now if we use move command M type and GR type for group, and select the group name D2 D3, it's okay. You can move object. Okay, if we use a mirror command, here is very important, MR, enter, and we select the 3 object, but we need D2 object. We type first GR and D2, enter. It's working. Okay, the 4th tip is here is we taking line PL and select the screen and select arc. Here is arc, we type arc. Okay, it's good. We select home type and select blend curves. It's work for the join 2 curve. Select first object, select second. It's working. If you change the dimension, if you move and select the fit, if we use the command fill command, we need trim command in fill command. Okay, how it's work? We type F, enter, select the first line and second line. It's tricky. If you use fill command, we need here a radius. We type F and select the radius. We type 50 and select the first line and second line. If we don't need radius here, only corner, select the first line and shift hold. Thanks for watching.